Cut through tough grease and messes with Lemmy Shine Everyday Cleaner. Their all-purpose cleaner with fresh lemon scent will leave your home smelling clean and refreshing. This powerful cleaning spray is an all-natural cleaner that includes Gunk Guard, a proprietary cleaning technology that creates a protective barrier on counters and surfaces, making them easier to clean and extending the time between cleanings. Let's discuss some of its features. Safe, powerful and effective. Packed with powerful citric extracts for tough grease and mess removal. Proprietary Gunk Guard multi-surface cleaning technology creates a protective layer on surfaces. For use on tile, laminate, sealed marble, stone, or granite, and a variety of other surfaces. Phosphate-free, chlorine bleach-free, no artificial fillers or dyes, biodegradable surfactants. Septic system friendly. Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaners feature hard-working yet gentle multi-purpose cleaning agents, while also providing a special, singular scent for your entire home. Lemon verbena has a light, refreshingly mild citrus scent. This tender herb blossoms in early summer and smells bright and new through and through. They combine garden-inspired scents, essential oils, and plant-derived multi-purpose cleaning ingredients to clean kitchen messes and all over the house. This cleaning spray is great on all non-porous surfaces such as finished wood and tile floors, countertops, walls, porcelain, bathroom fixtures, sealed natural and synthetic stone, and more. Available in other garden-inspired scents and biodegradable products such as dish soaps and laundry detergents. Mrs. Meyer's, rooted in goodness. Vaoactive work at the microscopic level for a deep hygienic clean in the cracks of your surfaces. Free from chlorine bleach, formaldehyde, phosphates, quads and made from 100% post-consumer recycled plastic. To use it, give the bottle a gentle shake then turn nozzle to the on position. Spray on surfaces until wet then wipe clean. For tougher dirt and grime, allow Vaoactive probiotics to penetrate soil then wipe clean. It is safe to use on acrylic, aluminum, brass, ceramic, chrome, concrete, copper, glass, granite, laminate, laminated wood, porcelain, quartz, stainless steel, urethane-coated wood, vinyl. Do not use on fiberglass, marble, terracotta. Caution for every surface cleaner, keep out of reach of children. If eye contact occurs, flush eyes with water. If swallowed, drink plenty of water to dilute. If any irritation develops, contact your physician.